Today I'm going to explain a new type of writing and reading, which is cause and effect essay. What is it? They are essays that are concerned with why things happen, which is the cause, and what happens as a result, which is the effect. Cause and effect is a common method of organizing and discussing ideas. To follow these steps when writing a cause and effect essay, we need number one, distinguish between cause and effect. We need first to differentiate between them. And to determine the causes, we need to ask, why did this happen? And to identify the effects, we need also to ask, what happened because of this? And here is an example of one cause producing one effect. Like what? You are out of gas. This is the cause. And the effect is that your car won't start. Sometimes many causes contribute to a single effect, or many effects which may result from a single cause. And here are some examples. Like what? Like business in high school, salaries in the field are high. Have an aunt who is an accountant. I'm good with numbers. These are the causes, and the effect is one thing, which is to choose to major in accounting. Another example. The cause here is one thing, which is to reduce work hours. The effects are less income, the employer is irritated, and more time to study, and more time for family and friends. Second step, it is to develop your thesis statement, which means to state clearly whether you are discussing causes, effects, or both. You need to introduce your main idea using the terms cause and effect. Third step, find and organize supporting details. Back up your thesis with relevant and sufficient details that are organized. And you can organize details in the following ways. Chronological. Details here are arranged in the order in which the events occur. Second one, order of importance. Details are arranged from least to most important or vice versa. Categorical. The details are arranged by dividing the topic into parts of categories. Fourth point, we use the appropriate transitions to blend details smoothly in cause and effect essays. We use the transitional words and phrases which is listed below. For causes, it's because or due to, on cause is, another is, since, for, first, and second. For effects, consequently, as a result. Thus, resulted in, one result is, another is, and therefore. When writing your essay, keep the following suggestions in your mind. Remember your purpose. Decide if you are waiting to inform or persuade. Focus on immediate and direct causes or effects. Limit yourselves to causes that are close in time and related, as opposed to remote and indirect causes, which occur later and are related indirectly. Strengthen your essay by using supporting evidence. Define terms, offer facts and statistics, or provide using examples or personal observations that support your ideas. Qualify or limit your statements about cause and effect, unless there is clear evidence that one event is related to another. Qualify your statements with phrases such as, it appears that the cause was, or it seems likely, or the evidence may indicate, or available evidence suggests. Here are some short passages that we are going to go through. The first one: hurricanes begin when the weather conditions are just right for a cluster of thunderstorms to form over a tropical ocean. If such a cluster remains long enough, it organizes into a tropical depression with winds of up to 42 miles per hour. If a tropical depression increases to winds of 43 to 74 miles per hour, so it is a tropical storm. A tropical storm is given a name and watched closely by satellite to see if it gets worse and begins to have the telltale circular shape of a hurricane. If the air pressure continues to drop, the wind rises to above 75 miles per hour, and the true hurricane is born. So let's answer this question. Which of the following causes weather forecasters to say a storm has become a hurricane? A cluster of thunderstorms form over a tropical ocean, or a cluster begins to organize into a tropical depression, winds increase to over 75 miles per hour, winds increase to 23 to 42 miles an hour. Of course, the answer is C, that the winds increase to over 75 miles per hour. Second passage. Students at school have been sick all winter long. Many students have missed over a week of school due to the viruses, passing from student to student. And a few students, though, haven't gotten sick at all. They have had perfect attendance. And when asked why they hadn't gotten sick, the students explained that they clean their hands regularly with hand sanitizer, which is the cause of the students not getting sick. They missed no school. They missed many days of school. They used hand sanitizer. They ate breakfast every day. And of course, the answer is that they used hand sanitizers. Third passage. Opossums are strange creatures. Unlike most animals, they like to hold their food with all your 4 feet, and their tails are long and flexible. Have you seen pictures of them hanging from tree branches by their tails? When an opossum hangs by its tail, it, it can grasp a peach with its 4 paws and enjoy a midnight snack. Now, what is the cause of opossums hanging by their tails? To avoid predators, to eat a snack using all 4 paws, to sleep, to reach food growing in the trees? Of course, the answer is to eat a snack using all 4 paws. Fourth passage. Megan was so excited by the parade that she forgot, and she left her coat at home. Megan stood outside with the rest of the people enjoying the parade and braving the cold weather. As a result, Megan was sick the rest of the weekend. What caused Megan to get sick? She stayed too long at the parade. She didn't get enough candy at the parade. She left her coat at home. She ate too much candy at the parade. Of course, the answer is that she left her coat at home. As a homework, write an essay about the effects of pollution using cause and effect skills. Plus, homework, reading comprehensions, page 21 till page 26. Thank you.